Hello dear student, today topic is globalization, वैश्वीकरण. Meaning of globalization is the process of interaction and integration among peoples, companies and governments worldwide. With the increased global interaction comes the growth of international trades, ideas and culture. Globalization is primarily an economic process of integration and interacting that's associated with social and culture aspects. वैश्वीकरण दुनिया भर में लोगों, कंपनियों और सरकार के बीच बातचीत और एकीकरण की प्रक्रिया है. वैश्वीकरण बातचीत के साथ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विचार, व्यवहार और संस्कृति का विकास करता है. वैश्वीकरण मुख्य रूप से सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक पहलुओं के साथ जुड़े बातचीत और एकीकरण की एक प्रक्रिया है. Dimension of globalization. ग्लोबलाइजेशन के आयाम क्या क्या है? फर्स्ट इज इकोनॉमिक ग्लोबलाइजेशन, कल्चरल ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड पॉलिटिक्स ग्लोबलाइजेशन. इकोनॉमिक ग्लोबलाइजेशन. Economically, globalization involves goods, service, the economic resources of capital, technology and data. Cultural globalization. Cultural globalization refers to the transmission of ideas, meaning and values around the world in such as to extend and intensify social relationship. The next one is political globalization. Political globalization refers to the growth of worldwide political system, both in size and complexity. That system include national government, their governmental and intergovernmental organization, as well as government interdependence elements of global civil service societies such as international non-governmental organization and social movements organizations. Needs of globalization. Globalization is a process of uniformity and homogeneity in which the whole world become of one by one. ग्लोबलाइजेशन ऐसी प्रक्रिया है जिसमें लोग एक साथ एक तरीके से काम करते हैं और इस तरीके से वो एक दूसरे के साथ आ जाते हैं, यानी पूरा विश्व एक विश्व के रूप में, एक परिवार के रूप में काम करता है. जैसे वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की प्रक्रिया यहाँ लागू होती है. A policy of generalization has been adopted for the rapid development of the economy. ग्लोबलाइजेशन एक ऐसी पॉलिसी प्रदान करता है जिससे हम इकोनॉमिकली डेवलप होते हैं, एक दूसरे से सहायता प्रदान करते हैं. आर्थिक सहायता तथा व्यावसायिक सहायता एक दूसरे से होती है, तो आर्थिक डेवलपमेंट यहाँ होता है. ग्लोबलाइजेशन इज द एसोसिएटेड ऑफ national industries with international rules and multinational corporations deal with goods and services in other countries outside to boundaries of the one nation. इसमें हम विभिन्न कंपनियों के साथ, विभिन्न इंडस्ट्रियों के साथ किसी नेशन की बाउंड्रियों को क्रॉस करके उनकी गुड्स और उसकी सर्विस का लाभ उठाते हैं. Various nations of world satisfy their needs by purchasing and selling goods and services through the demand of the market system and the relative strength of fulfill of marketing system with mutual cooperation in the goodwills. Under the policy, 37 industries, 34 industry were included. Under the industrial policy, foreign capital invest up to 51% in high priority industries has been permitted. The policy of globalization were restricted to the basic areas such as electric, coal, petroleum for industrial goods manufactured by foreign advanced technology and industrial structure of the nation. In case where foreign capital of the mm, machine will be available, they will be allowed to own the industry. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act also amended. At present, other private companies are also moving forward the industrial wars by establishing units in foreign policies. Impacts of globalization. With the arrival of globalization, more job opportunities have been created. जैसे ही ग्लोबलाइजेशन का दौर स्टार्ट हुआ है, विभिन्न जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ी हैं. विद द इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ जॉब and high salaries, people can easily rise their standard of living. इससे हाई सैलरी के साथ साथ जॉब के साथ साथ लोगों का लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड भी बढ़ा है. इट्स क्रिएट अवेयरनेस in people about the events happening in and around the world. Various small scale and large scale business have flourished with the help of globalization. छोटे तथा बड़े विभिन्न पैमाने पर ग्लोबलाइजेशन की सहायता से व्यापार का बढ़ोतरी हुई है, व्यापार का विकास हुआ है. Globalization has led to the interdependence of the globalization and development nations. Over independence of the technology can weaken the human relationship. People in the developing countries tend to ignore their own culture and try to adopt adopt the Western culture more. Thank you.